long table for us. We have a lot of food. Bulalo. Barbecue. I'm done eating my rice. So, ulam naman. Barbecue. I love bulalo.
Sinigang na po.
I'm done trying bulalo. Masarap yung bulalo. And, ano ito? Sinigang? Anong part ng ano yun? Isda?
Parang hindi ko pa inuubos kung ano.
Maasim. Wala kang sinigang.
Parang hindi mo pa yan na ano.
Barbecue. Try the barbecue. Siya?
Hindi na nagustuhan nakaraan. This one masarap eh.
Tagay.
No, it's not the Tagay. It's a fresh we're on the way to the Tagay area. Very good, no? Diba? The combination of
It is?
the coconut.
Coconut nga.
Is a giant.
Ay, giant. Ma'am, say hi! Hi!
Yes, we're enjoying the night.
Cheers! 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 Boom, boom, boom.